Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to edit avatar on Poppo Live. It's very easy, so let's get started. Alright, so the first step we want to take is to, of course, open your Poppo Live app and then log into your account. After that, next thing you have to do is to head to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Right, so once you're right here at the top, you're going to find your profile picture or avatar and also your username. Just go ahead and click on that. All right, so once you click on that, now the next thing you want to do is to, of course, look at the top right corner. You'll find this little pencil right there. Tap on it. All right, so once you tap on it, you're going to see this big space for profile picture or avatar. So what you just have to do if you want to change your avatar or profile picture, just click on it and you see the option to reload. Right, so sorry, re-upload. Right, so click on the re-upload option and now you can either take pictures, you can either take photo, or you can select from your album. It's that easy. Right, for these other ones right here, you can still choose to upload pictures from your gallery and add it right here. Right, so you can have pictures for people who are visiting your profile to see. Right, so that's it guys. Hope this video is helpful and you now know how to edit your avatar or profile picture. If you just give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.